Here's question from IIT JAM 2017 from electrostatics. Now it is question number 3. In question number 3, it is given that in a coaxial cable of radius the radius of inner conductor is 2 mm and that of the outer is 5 mm. The inner conductor is at a potential 10 volt while the outer conductor is grounded. The value of the potential at a distance 3.5 mm from the axis is what? So let's solve this question. For solving this question, as we know, del to V is equal to 0. In cylindrical coordinate system, now in cylindrical coordinate system, it is given that 1 divided by R del R into R del B with respect to del R is equal to 0. So this is the formula for cylindrical coordinate system for finding potential. So if we solve this equation, we'll get the potential will be equal to A log R plus B, where A and B are arbitrary constants. Now in the question it is given that the inner conductor is at a potential of 10 volt. So when potential is equal to potential of V is equal to 10 volt, then the value of R equal to the inner radius. So we can write 10 equal to A log 2 plus B. So this is our equation number 1. Again, the outer conductor is grounded. If outer conductor is grounded, then its potential will be 0. So 0 will be A log 5 plus B. This is our equation number 2. Now if we solve this equation number 2, equation 1 and 2, so if we subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, so 1 minus 2 gives us 10 will be equal to A log 2 minus A log 5. So that will be equal to A log 2 by 5, or this will be again equal to minus A log 5 divided by 2. So we can write 10 will be equal to minus A, 10 will be equal to minus A log 5 divided by 2. So from this equation we can find the value of A. So our value of A will be equal to minus 10 divided by log 5 divided by 2. So if you calculate this, then our value will be of A will be equal to minus 10.86. And again substituting the value of A, we'll get the value of B will be equal to 10 log 5 divided by log 5 divided by 2, or this will be equal to 10 log 5 divided by log 5 divided by 2. If we calculate this value, then this value will be equal to 17.39. So value of V equal to, now we already got the value of A and V. So now potential at R equal to 3, now potential at a distance R equal to 3.5. So we can write potential V at R equal to 3.5 will be equal to A log 3.5 plus B. So V at the point R equal to 3.5 will be equal to, if we put the value of A and B, then we'll get minus 10.86 multiplied by log 3.5 plus 17.39. So if you calculate this value, we'll get the value of V at point R equal to 3.5, which will be equal to 3.8 volt. So our desired answer will be potential. Therefore we can write potential at a distance R equal to 3.5 from the axis will be equal to 3.8 volt. So this is our required answer for the given question.